Hello everyone, my name is Allison Lee and I am the creator of the College Pros. And this is the College Pros Project Report. So a little background on the College Pros. I created it with these goals in mind, to instill confidence in my audience and to create new skills within them. What this means is that my goal is for college students to help feel more secure in themselves and feel prepared for their futures, and to help create and build the skills that they need to succeed as college students and throughout their lives, because lots of skills you learn now in college and that will really help you now carry on throughout your life, such as budgeting and time management. My audience were both men and women aged 18 to 25, about into college, so about to be freshmen or are currently in college. I targeted mainly the Utah and Idaho area, and I was looking for people who were looking to improve themselves. Because if you think you're fine as you are, you're not going to find my content helpful at all. So the two platforms I used were TikTok and Instagram. I had 17 posts on TikTok and 15 on Instagram. The reason they aren't the same number is because not everything I post to Instagram will work on TikTok, whereas some things I post to TikTok can be used on Instagram. So I did have a little bit of a problem with my Instagram. About halfway through the project duration, I had my account hacked. They followed, I want to say, about 250 people and I went through and unfollowed them, and Instagram flagged that and shut down my account. So I had to restart. So I had 4 followers pre-shutdown. I currently do not have any, unfortunately. I'm still working on regaining that traction. I had about 22 total likes combined between the pre-shutdown and currently. And then on TikTok, I have 2 followers, 11 likes, and 100 views. Here are some examples of my Instagram posts. I don't have my TikTok ones on here because it is really hard to get a professional looking photo out of TikTok, just pausing the video. But these are some of my favorite posts from Instagram. And what I've learned that it can be really difficult to start from scratch and gain traction, especially since I've had to do it twice now. But with good content and the right hashtags, I have noticed that I can reach my correct audience. It's just getting them in to become followers. And I also learned that you really need to protect your account. Growth, I haven't really been able to see a ton of growth because of the shutdown on Instagram, but overall I had a really great experience with this.